Quick question for you though. What would you say, or what do you think maybe would be the hardest thing about getting into digital marketing? As you think about that, let me throw some things out there that might help you. For example, there's no products whatsoever. You don't have to worry about that. Leads are easy to find. And creating an amazing income is easier than you may think. Once that you've learned those steps, by the guy that's behind the curtain, so to speak, yeah, throw in there a little bit of Wizard of Oz. Yeah. I mean, just for example, just imagine for a moment how it would feel if you're creating a 5-figure income per month, per week. Yeah, it can be life-changing. But I'll tell you what the hardest thing is for every new person that's thinking about getting into digital marketing. And that is stepping up to take that action and finally make that decision to do it. That's probably the hardest part of all of it. And remember, I read this in a book and it is very, very true. Procrastination is actually a killer of dreams. So now my question to you to think about is, can you feel those emotions that kind of build up inside that, there's a part of you that's saying, yeah, this would be amazing and I think I could do this. Let's get past I think you can do this, because I know you can do this. And once you know you can do this, life will change. There's no doubt in my mind that you or anyone else has the ability within them to change their lives amazingly. So now if you like what you're hearing, give me a like, maybe a thumbs up, or a follow, or subscribe, depending upon which venue you're seeing this video on. And how about you just leave me a comment? Say something like, let's do this. Later, guys. Have an amazing day.